What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a community on Reddit Mobile. Once you got the Reddit app open, you're going to hit the icon second from the left on the bottom, and then scroll down and hit Create a Community. Now, this button might not be there if your account is newer than a couple weeks, but once you eventually get that removed, you'll be able to create one. Now you're just going to create a subject for your community, and then create your community name. And then there's a little description that appears under the name for people viewing your community. So I just typed out a little community description out. Now you're going to make sure that it's select public or private community, and then a profile picture, or I should say a community picture if you'd like. It's just going to take a second to load up, and you're also going to be getting more messages from Reddit now that you have a community. But there you go. There's your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks.